Okay, I'm going to show you how I make my twisted roses. I'm going to be working with a 1.5 inch grosgrain ribbon. This happens to be a royal blue. You're also going to need a piece of felt. This can be a square or a circle, just any piece of felt will do. So go ahead and just gather those two needed supplies, and we will do this very, very quick and simple. First thing you're going to do is take your ribbon, and we're going to put a knot right here at the top of the ribbon, or at the end of the ribbon piece. Just a simple knot, and then we're going to trim it down, and just trim that little piece there at the top with your scissors and heat seal. You want to make a tight knot. See, go ahead and trim, and then take your lighter and gently put your flame across it, just so you can heat seal it so it won't come unfrayed on us while we are doing our rose. But that's what you need, a knot. And we are going to now glue it to the piece of felt. Just a dab of glue right there in the middle of your felt, and press down, and this will be the center of our twisted rosette. Okay, now you just want to make sure your ribbon is folded in half like I have me here before we start twisting. And now you need to grab that long end. Of course, make sure that your ribbons are held together. We want them folded. And now you're just going to twist it around that center knot. Just twist, twist, twist. Twist the ribbon and go around the knot. And about every 2 twists, you might want to add a dab of your hot glue. And yeah, just connect the glue to the ribbon so it's nice and secure. But again, just twist that ribbon, twist, 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 and just go around the knot until you are completely done using up all of your ribbon. Don't worry about the felt piece. We are going to trim the edges when we're done so it looks nice. Once you are complete with your twisted rose, you're going to notice this excess here. You can trim it, or what I like to do is I just like to fold it up under my rose and glue it down. And then you can add another piece of felt, a round piece of felt on top of that, and you won't be able to see it. It's just going to give it more stability right there on that piece of felt, and it'll secure everything a little bit better. Plus it hides that edge, and I'm just going to heat seal, but you don't have to if you're putting another piece of felt on top. And of course you want to, there, I'm just showing you how you can put felt on that and cover it up. And here's what it will look like once you are done. It's very easy, and this is the twisted rosette with grosgrain ribbon. Okay, now I'm going to show you a different kind of rose. This is going to be a folded rosette, and I'm using a piece of scrap fabric. It measures about 2.5 to 3 inches, and what I did was I just folded one side over, and then I overlapped the other side to form kind of like a tube. See, looks like a tube. And then all I'm going to do is, like we did in the twisted tutorial, I am going to put a knot right here at the end, make it very tight, because the knot is going to serve as the middle of the flower, the rosette for us. So go ahead and make a very tight knot right there at the end. And of course you can clip off any excess, and then we're going to glue it down on a piece of felt, just like we did with the twisted rosette that we did with the grosgrain ribbon. See, I've got a piece of felt. Any piece of felt will do, square, circle, whatever you have on hand, because remember we are going to be trimming that. And here we have our two pieces. I'm working with a square piece of felt, and I'm just going to glue it in the center like I did before. Just a little glue will do. And thank you guys for the comments on my new glue gun. Yes, I got a new one. Okay, there it is, glued to my piece of felt. Now with this one, you want to make sure that your tube is intact. You don't want those frayed edges showing. And with this one, you're just going to go straight around, no twist. Just go straight, and then we're going to make a fold. It's like an overlap fold. See what I did there? Overlap fold. We want this one to be as neat and clean as possible. So you want to do a straight, go straight around with the fabric and do one simple fold. And depending on how loose or how tight you wrap your rosette, it will give a different look. It's just totally up to you. Now what you want to do is you want to trim your felt piece so you can't see it from the top, and you are now able to glue it to a clip or a headband.